To use your EBT card on Uber Eats, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device and tapping on the profile icon in the top left corner. From there, select the payment options and then add payment method. Choose the option to add an EBT card and enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have added your EBT card, you can begin ordering food from participating restaurants. Not all restaurants on Uber Eats accept EBT, so be sure to filter your search by EBT-eligible restaurants. You can do this by tapping on the filter icon and selecting the EBT option. When you have selected a restaurant and added items to your cart, proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, select your EBT card as the payment method. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you can only use your EBT card to purchase eligible food items, such as groceries and prepared meals. You cannot use your EBT card to pay for delivery fees, service fees, or tips. Be sure to review your order carefully before submitting it to ensure that you are only purchasing eligible items. To avoid any issues with your order, it is recommended that you check your EBT card balance before placing an order. You can do this by contacting your local EBT office or by checking your balance online. Additionally, be sure to only order from restaurants that participate in the EBT program to avoid any issues with payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use your EBT card on Uber Eats to purchase food from participating restaurants. Remember to always review your order carefully and check your EBT card balance before placing an order to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.